Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone camera is ready and the QR/barcode scanner is enabled. Unlock the iPhone and open the camera app. This is faster than third-party apps. Once done, point the lens toward the barcode so it fills about half the frame. That gives the camera enough detail to decode. Make sure there's steady light and minimal glare because the scanner uses contrast to detect bars. If scanning doesn't trigger, move closer in small increments and hold steady. You'll now focus and wait for the iPhone to read the code. Center the barcode, then gently tap the screen to lock focus if the image looks soft. This helps the camera interpret thin lines accurately. Keep the phone parallel to the barcode to avoid distortion. Once the camera recognizes the code, a banner or pop-up appears. Tap it to open the associated link or action. If you hear a shudder or vibration, that's the phone confirming a successful read. Finish by tapping the notification to follow the barcode's instruction, open a website, add contact info, or apply a coupon. If nothing happens, make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on because many codes require internet. For stubborn scans, improve lighting, remove reflective covers, or change the phone to barcode distance. Sometimes 1 inch closer fixes it. If the camera app repeatedly fails, enable scanning in settings or install a reputable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.